Hello students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In our last lecture, we were studying about how notices are written. You know, notices related to the school is about to be right here because you know very well that schools has different type of activities and the notices related to different type of activities should be learned how to write them. That's why different type of notices are going to be written here. So today we are going to write some more notices. See, there is a question. You are the head of the scout and guide group of your school. You know that each and every school has scout and guide group. A pulse polio camp is going to be held in your school. Now, write a notice requesting the scout and guide volunteers to give their service in it. Mention day, date, time, and place. You know very well that scout and guide members play a very important role in conducting all the social and national activities. So, how the notice will be written? See here. On the top of the notice, mention the name of the institution, like we have mentioned here, Panchashil Academy, Garot. Now, below the name of the institution, mention notice and the heading of the notice. Now, also mention the date on which the notice is being written. Now, a heading, a pulse polio camp, and the language will be like this. All the scouts and guides volunteers are informed that a pulse polio camp is going to be held in our school to eradicate polio. Now, day and date, Sunday, 5th September 2020, time 8 am, place school campus. Now, all the scout guide volunteers are requested to give their service bringing the children below 6 years to the polio booth. Now, mention the designation head, scout, and guide. You know, in pulse and polio camps, scout and guide member play a very vital role, a very important role, and that's why all the volunteers should be informed to give their service. Now, some more notices to practice at home are given here. See, the first question. You are the secretary of art and cultural group of your school. A lecture of personality development is going to be delivered by a famous scholar, Mr. H.S. Rathore, in the assembly hall. Write a notice informing the students to attend it. You know, different type of seminars and lectures are held in education institutions. That's why we should know how the notice can be written, giving the information regarding lecture or seminars. Now, see the second question. Write a notice about the parents teacher meet that is about to be held in your school. You know, each and every school, especially private schools, held parents teacher meet after each and every examination or test. So, inform the students about it that a parents teacher meet is going to be held on a particular day in your school. So, write these notices in your notebook and click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.